In this video clip, we learn how to organize numerical data using frequency distribution table. The frequency distribution is a summary table where data are organized into numerically ordered classes. So here we need to determine the number of classes, a suitable width of each class, and the boundaries of each class. And the number of classes depends on the number of values in the data. With a larger number of values, typically we use more classes. In general, we may use between 5 and 15 classes. To determine the width of a class interval, we divide the range of the data by the number of desired classes. So we see an example here. We have 20 days temperature here. So first, we sort the data in an ascending order from 12 to 58. Then we can find the range is 46. Let's select the number of classes 5, and then we can compute class interval roughly 46 divided by 5, rounded up. We have 10 here. Then we determine class boundaries. Based on the data, we can define class 1 from 10 to 19, class 2 from 20 to 29, and so on. Then we can find the midpoints of the classes. They are representative values of the classes. Then we can count the data and assign them to appropriate classes. So here, we organize data in a table like this. We can find the frequency based on our definition. And further, we can find the relative frequency and the percentage. We can further find cumulative frequency and cumulative percentage. Let's do this in Excel. Here we have data. Here it doesn't matter whether we sort the data or not, but we need to manually tell Excel our classes. We can call each class a bin. Here we tell Excel the upper bound of each class or each bin. We use 19, 29, 39, 49, and 59. Okay, then we go to data. Here we can see data analysis. In case this doesn't appear, we can go to File, Options, go to Add-ins. Then on the bottom, Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go. Make sure this analysis tool pack is checked. Okay. Now we click Data and Data Analysis. We will see here a histogram. Okay, this is actually something we will learn in the future. But from this, we can find the frequency distribution table. Histogram, click OK. Input range, A1 through A21. Bin range, B1 through B6. Check labels. And check cumulative percentage and chart output. Then click OK. You see, here we have 5 bins plus an additional one showing more, and frequency of each bin or class, and also cumulative percentage. For us, this row has no use, so we can delete it. So it still works. This is what we need.